Hi, in this video I will show you how Retouch4me plugins handle photographs with a lot of skin defects. Many thanks to Dmitry Ivanov for the photos. Let's take a closer look at the photos. This is how the original photos look like. I'm going to start with Retouch4me Heal plugin. I'm making a copy of the layer, selecting the face with marquee tool, and then launching the plugin. Here's the before version, here's after. There are moles on the face. I think it is better to keep them. I'm going to select Erase tool and erase those places where moles are. There are some moles on the cheek. Let's see it again. I think that's all. Here is the original. Here is the after version. Do not be afraid if after removing pimples there are red spots on the skin. The next plugin should handle them. I'm making a copy of the layer and launching Retouch4me Dodge&Burn plugin. It is almost a full-length portrait, so I'll turn on high-resolution mode. My photos are already in JPEG, but you can run plugins from Adobe Brigde and batch process raw files. There is a lesson about this on the channel. Okay, done. Let's bring the face closer and see how the plugin handled it. Here's before, here's after. It only remains to run the plugin, which increased the visual volume of the photo. I will check the box for high resolution, since the portrait is full length. Here's before, here's after. You can slightly increase the effect. Here is the original, and here is the after version. Some pink spots still remain. I'll show you how you can easily get rid of them in 3D LUT Creator. I will zoom in on the face. Let's see where the problem area is located on the grid. To make the color of the skin smoother, I will move the color rays towards each other. That is, I will reduce the number of warm shades in the photo. It doesn't make sense to apply it to the entire photo. I will fill the mask with black and paint only the areas where I have redness. I will also correct the color of the nose. This is how this LUT works. It removes red hues from the skin. Let's go back to where I started. Look at the original. And here's the final version. What a huge difference. I will retouch another photo. Here is a slightly different angle. I'm going to start with Retouch4me Heal plugin. Working with selected areas significantly reduces plugin runtime. Moles can be restored here also. I will make the eraser size larger. Done. Now I will launch Retouch4me Dodge&Burn plugin. The portrait is full length, so I'll leave everything as it is. You can also run plugins to batch process a large number of photos at once. I think it will be very important for those who photograph teenagers a lot. Let's take a closer look. I will adjust the effect. It only remains to run Retouch4me Portrait Volumes plugin to enhance the visual volume of the face, after I smoothed out the skin with Retouch4me Dodge&Burn. Okay, done. A small area in the shade remains on the temple. It can be easily removed with a healing brush. I will correct the reddish hues with the LUT that I have already used. I am filling the mask with black and drawing on the mask those areas in the photos where there are red shades. It is the forehead and the bridge of the nose. You can still apply LUT over the ear. Done. Here's the original. Then I used Retouch4me Heal plugin. Then I smoothed out the skin with Retouch4me Dodge&Burn plugin. Then increase the volume with Retouch4me Portrait Volumes plugin. And at the end, I applied the LUT. As you can see, even such complex photos in terms of retouching can be processed with the plugins. They do the lion's share of the work. If something remains to be tweaked, it will take you very little time. And that's all. The plugins are available at retouch4me. See you in the next video.